Namaste children. I am Pranjani Sampat from Vedic IQ. Today we will be learning a beautiful bhajan of Sri Rama called Pibare Ramarasam, which is sung in the glory of Lord Rama. It is composed by Sadashiv Brahmendra. Please keep a printout of the bhajan to follow. So let's start. Pibare Ramarasam, Pibare Ramarasam, Rasane Pibare Ramarasam, Pibare Ramarasam. This is in lower note. So please repeat. Pibare Ramarasam. Good. Rasane Pibare Ramarasam. Very good. Pibare Ramarasam, Ramarasam. Durikrita Pataka Samsargam, Puritanana Vidhapalavargam. Here, Durikrita Pataka Samsargam is on lower side. Purita Nana Vidhapala Vargam is on higher side. And you will be singing Pibare Ramarasam. Good. Janana Marana Bhaya Shoka Viduram Sakala Shastra Nigamagamasaram. Again, Janana Marana Bhaya Shoka Vidhuram is on lower side. Sakala Shastra Nigamagamasaram is on higher side. And you will be repeating Pibare Ramarasam. Paripalita Sarasi Jagarbhandam, Paripalita Sarasi Jagarbhandam, Paramapavitri Kritapashandam, Paramapavitri Kritapashandam. Paripalita Sarasija Garbhandam is on lower side. Parama Pavitri Krita Pashandam is on higher side. And repeat Pibare Ramarasam. Pibare Ramarasam. Shuddha Paramahamsa Ashramagitam. Shuddha Paramahamsa Ashramagitam, Shukashaunaka Kaushika Mukapitam, Shukashaunaka Kaushika Mukapitam, Pibare Ramarasam. Shuddha Paramahamsa Ashrama Geetam is on lower side. Shukashaunaka Kaushika Mukapitam is on higher side. And will be concluding by repeating Pibare Ramarasam, Rasane Pibare Ramarasam, Pibare Ramarasam, రామరసం రామరసం రామరసం